Hey everybody, I'm here at 6401 Kelley Road in Brooklyn, Michigan, and I can't wait to tell you about why this is such a rare property, but I'm going to spare you from looking at me for the next couple of minutes, so let's get the tour started and I'll tell you all about it. So what makes this property so rare and unique is the fact that it's just outside the Lake Columbia Association. However, it comes with an association access lot giving you access to everything that Lake Columbia has to offer. Situated just a few hundred yards from the boat launch makes it super convenient to use the lake or the parks, the beaches, yet you're situated on 2 acres and not restricted by any of the association restrictions. This property also has 4 bedrooms, including a main floor, which features primary suite, formal dining, open living room, half bath, kitchen with eat-in space, a great 4-season sunroom, and a den, office, possible workout room, or even 5th bedroom. Three bedrooms and a full bath on the 2nd floor. Making your way downstairs to the wonderfully finished lower level gives you lots more opportunities with plenty of extra space and storage options. Additionally, this property has a second garage that's 32 by 36 with bonus room above and a back to eat-in garden, which allows you to grow your own vegetables, especially in today's high grocery market, with the back to eat-in garden style that doesn't require you to water it and only requires little weed maintenance. Take advantage of all this property has to offer, its location and amenities nearby. Stop in and check it out before it's gone.